We are back. Igbo. We are back to learning Igbo. My children, they must learn Igbo. Do we practice yesterday?
How to say good afternoon in Igbo.
So, greet me is afternoon.
Mama, madam. Mommy.
Ehihie-oma.
Mommy.
Good. So today what we are going to practice is...
He's going to say good evening in Igbo.
Good evening and good night.
Good night.
So what is good evening? What is
Baby Boma. Baby Bioma.
Okay, so good evening is Mgbede-oma. Mgbede-oma. Not Ugbede. Mgbede evening. Mgbede. So Mgbede is evening. I say Mgbede. Mgbede evening. Mgbede is evening. Wow.
Mgbede is
evening. So if you want to say good evening, you say Mgbede-oma. If you want Mgbede-oma. Mgbede. Mgbede-oma. Then good night.
Mommy, little dear doesn't want to learn Igbo.
Don't mind him. When you finish learning, you start teaching him. So, Mgbede-oma. Mgbe. Not mbwe. Mgbe. Not mbe. Mgbede. Mgbede-oma. Good. Mgbede-oma. Be serious. Mgbede-oma. So evening is Mgbede. So Oma is good. Evening is Mgbede. Oma is good. So when you put the two together, it becomes Mgbede-oma. So when you see your daddy in the evening, you greet him, Daddy, Mgbede-oma.
Madam, what would you like to eat?
Mgbede-oma. So have you learnt it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, say it.
I have something to say.